show you how to create Kubeconfig for your Kyma cluster using Kyma dashboard. You need to go to your Kyma dashboard cluster using BTP Cockpit. You can find the link to the dashboard here. I will just click it, and then I will authenticate it in the background with the service single sign-on. Let me create service account. Yeah, so I will go to the namespaces, to the default namespace. In that default namespace, I will go to the configuration section, service accounts, and here I will create service account named admin, because I will grant this service account admin role, but that will be a little bit later. So this admin service account is created. I need to generate token requests. So let me generate this token. So it creates new token when you press it, and it is put here in this Kubeconfig that you can download. I will use this download button, and the admin YAML file is stored in my file system. Now I will open terminal, and I will export kubeconfig with this admin YAML that I downloaded, and let me just check if I can get a list of namespaces. I can't, because namespaces is forbidden for this service account default admin. It is expected. I have to grant some permissions. So let me go to the cluster details, and then in the configuration you have cluster role bindings. I will create a cluster role binding for this admin service account. So it will be admin role binding, and the role I will grant is cluster admin. You can of course create the role that has less permissions. I will pick service account, and for service account namespace it was in the default, and the name of the service account is admin. Then I create this role binding. Let me go back to the terminal, repeat the command, and now you should see all the namespaces. Of course, you can create just namespace role bindings to limited permissions. You can, you can configure your service account for kubeconfig as you wish. Remember about the least privilege principle, so do not follow my example, and do not add cluster admin unless you just need it for your access. But try to avoid that. Thanks.